I'm showing you real quick how to basically what you do to keep your dryer clean and free from lint. So you're looking at three gigantic dryer. Of course, they basically commercial. So the process of cleaning is basically you come at the bottom here, you clean this filter over here. Once you clean that, then there's another area that you're gonna have to clean after you clean that. And this area right here, you're gonna have to clean this maybe once a day or twice a day, but every end of your shift, you clean that. So basically, I'm talking about, of course, you're not gonna find something like that at regular homes. Like I said, it's commercial. So hotels, like motels, business area, dry cleaner, stuff like that. So you're expecting to find something big like that. So let me take you to the back. So the back area, this is one of the bag that I just took out from this one right here. So I believe this is the exhaust where the air basically going out, coming from the dryer, and it is going out. So they have the bag, instead of as the air is going out. Now this is a bunch of lint. You're looking like inside a bag. So instead of let this lint expose just in the air, so they have this bag. The bag catches the lint, but there's a process of cleaning this thing that you will have to clean this thing I can't tell you how often, but I'm pretty sure you have to clean it very often. So this is already open. Let me go ahead and open another one to show you. Now the center one right here, that it's down here, the bag's already clean. So let's take out this bag right here. Again, if you're wondering what my location right now, so I'm basically in the back of the dryers. So this is basically where you're gonna find. They got two lock. One right here where you just undo that, and the one on top, undo that one. Of course, you're not gonna do it with the dryer running, so make sure that the dryer is basically off. Look at how full this is. This is all lint. So basically, this little thing right here, you squeeze that, then you pull that to give it some room, and pull that. Make sure, it's pretty nasty. And bring the top out, and basically don't let it fall down in there. And up, this is where air is going up and going straight outside. So we're gonna go ahead and clean this. We're gonna take this outside and clean this bad boy. And then after that, we're just gonna go ahead and place in the same way. So let's just say this one, I think this one is just a little bit in there, so I'm gonna go ahead clean that one and then place that one back in here. The same way you take it out is the same way you put it back on. So basically, as I was saying, this is the bag. You open that. Now you just shove that in there. Let's just start it from the back first. Make sure you got it in all the way. If you want, you can turn it around. Make sure it's all the way. Turn it around. It's gonna have to come back around. So once it come back around, and you know it's in there, now squeeze that top and pull. You squeeze and you tighten it. Squeeze and tighten it. So now you know it's tight. If you want, you can actually give it a little knot. Just make sure it's tight. It's not going anywhere. You can give it a little wriggle and make sure it's not going anywhere. So when the dryer turns on, you're good to go. Close it. Now, as far as the closing process, basically, and lock it up. Same thing for the bottom. And you're good. Then the same way I just did this, same process for that one, and same process for the one at the end. And this, the top pipe that you're looking at, that connected to this, basically goes on top of the roof. So, but I'm pretty sure they call it